Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to test a fuel pump relay. First, locate your vehicle's fuse box, which is often found under the hood or dashboard. Then, consult your car's owner's manual to precisely identify the fuel pump relay. Understanding its location is the crucial first step in diagnosing any potential issues. A faulty relay can prevent your engine from starting, so knowing how to test it is very helpful. Once you've located the relay, perform some initial checks. Listen for a distinct clicking sound when you turn the ignition to the on position. A lack of click might indicate a problem. Next, use a multimeter to test for continuity across the relay's terminals. You can also use a jumper wire to temporarily bypass the relay, which helps confirm if the fuel pump itself is working correctly. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful car tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic addition to any room. You can find the link for the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. For a more thorough test, use your multimeter's ohm setting to measure the relay's coil resistance. Compare this reading to the manufacturer's specified resistance range, usually found in your service manual. If the resistance is outside this range, or if previous tests indicated a fault, it's time to replace the relay. Always ensure the new relay matches the original specifications for proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.